What's up guys, this is Zach from Wire Customs, and today I'm going to show you how to take head studs out of a flathead Ford. Alright, you're going to need a couple things. You're going to need a torch, nice setup, obviously some gloves so you don't burn your hands. This is the secret right here, some lard, old school lard. Then I use a scraper, obviously scrape the lard out and put it on the stud. So here's the gist of it. What you want to do is get the stud here red hot. Red hot. Try not to get so much heat on the block. The block is not what we're going for in this one. So stud red hot. What I'm going to do is scoop some lard out, put it on the top and let it run down and drain all inside the stud itself. The lard gets really thin when it's really hot, and it actually penetrates pretty much like penetrating oil, except for I can use this whole tub for like $3 opposed to Kroll, which is very expensive but really good. Cheaper, easier, works great. Alright, so sadly I ran out of gas. Oxygen is at 0, as you can see. Thanks! I want to keep that in the video. So as you can see in the video, oxygen was at 0 there at the end. I kept trying to adjust it to see if I could get some more out of it. There was no more to be had. The acetylene is really close to 0, which I've ran it that low quite a few times before, but it's just not enough. I need to get that stud hotter, and I'd rather not have black carbon all over my block too. So since I ran out of gas, I want to play it safe and make sure I have plenty of gas to make sure all the studs are really hot, because it is not a fun game. Once you break these studs out, you gotta drill and tap it. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, flathead questions, please put them down in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and share. Have a good one.